If you want to see how you can find PDF guide ideas that can make you $500 a day or way more, then you probably want to watch this entire video because the research strategies I'm going to show you is responsible for doing over $10 million for me in 1 year. So if it can do $10 million for me, if you just put in the work, who's to say you can't make at least $500 per day? Okay, so the first research strategy is the Reddit method. And the next strategy I'm going to show you is responsible for a bulk of the 10 mil I made. Okay, so stick around for that. But this one is very easy and it's completely free. You don't have to, you just follow it. Okay, so make sure you watch this one too. Okay, so simply what I do on Reddit is, one thing I know is PDF guides sell based off emotion. If you can solve a problem for someone, whether it's just help them feel 1% better, they are going to give you $9 or even up to $100 for the PDF guide that you're selling, simply because, that thing that is bothering them is bothering them a lot. Okay, so for example, these are some of my favorite subreddits to scan and find ideas from. So let's go to puppy training. Right, the reason why this is one of my good subreddits to follow is because when people have a puppy, they are literally going through emotions of new puppy anxiety. So you can come over here and the first thing you see is 10.5-week-old Aussie Yellow Lab puppy. Tips? Okay, they're asking for tips because they feel the emotional stress and the burden of this puppy. So right there alone, by literally clicking on this subreddit, I have a PDF guide idea to literally create a PDF guide and title it something like how to survive the first 6 months with your lab puppy. You get what I'm saying? And to market that, I would just go on social media and do the influencer marketing, because if you do paid ads, it'd be kind of hard to pinpoint who owns a lab puppy. But I would do influencer marketing and strategically go towards breeders, okay? Breeders that breed lab dogs. It's literally not that difficult. If you can do that and pay them, their fee or do an influencer deal, then there you have it. You'll be able to promote to, their followers. And because their followers literally are, thinking of purchasing a lab puppy or already have a lab puppy that they purchased from them, boom, it will sell. So research strategy number 2 is the easiest and simplest way in. And like I said, it's responsible for, a lot of the $10 million I made, right? So this is literally a cheat code in my opinion, okay? With this app, PDF Trend Lab, I'll link it in the description and pinned comment down below. Trust me, you want to get access to this, right? Because $10 million is quite a bit of money. So it's literally as simple as this. You can come here on your dashboard and click generate new ideas, right? As you can see, it says it'll find trending PDF guide ideas based on real search data. That means what people are searching right now, the problems people are searching for right now. It will use that to give you ideas. And that's why it works, because hello, the point here is to sell PDF guides that help someone reduce their stress, whatever is just bothering them. That's the whole point with PDF guides, to help people with whatever they're struggling with. At least that's what I focus on when I sell PDF guides, right? So all you're simply gonna do is come here. You don't have to put anything right there. I typically don't. Then I just click niche. What niche do I wanna do? Let's do parenting, because the mom niche is, one of my top niches, right? And then you can do 5, 10, let's just do 15, click generate ideas. And the reason why this works so well is because when people are searching for something, let's say 10,000 people are searching for that thing, it does not mean there are just only 10,000 people looking for that thing, right? So when you go out and you run ads, whether it's with Facebook or you do influencer ads, there are millions of people going through the same thing, because there are millions of people that are parents. Does that make sense? So just like that, boom, you have ideas, and it's gonna tell you if it's medium competition, high competition, medium, or if it's a low competition like this. If something is low competition, I'm gonna save it. I'm not even gonna think too much about it. I'm definitely gonna save it, right? Because low low competition means, well, there's a high chance that I'll be one of the first to sell something in that niche, right? That's not to say medium competition doesn't work. As a matter of fact, 90% of my PDF guides that I've ever sold from PDF Trend Lab, it has been medium competition, right? But as long as something gets generated, it's worth creating a PDF guide about, because it's something people are actively searching for, a struggle and a pain that they're searching to relieve. And then that's where you are supposed to come in, create a PDF guide that, help relieve that pain and that stress and whatever it is that they're going through and struggling with. And that's why this is easily one of the best and fastest ways to find, ideas to create PDF guides about. If you want to use PDF Trend Lab, the link will be in the description and pinned comment down below. But yeah, hopefully you find this video valuable. Whatever method you choose, go out there and start. That's all that matters. Start right now, and I'll see you whenever I post another video. Peace.